Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn to highlight AWS certifications using Skill Badge, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Once on your profile page, locate the Add Profile section button, which is generally near your profile summary. Click on Add Profile section to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Licenses and Certifications. In the Licenses and Certifications section, click on the plus icon. In the pop-up window, enter the name of your AWS certification in the name field. For the issuing organization, type Amazon Web Services and select it from the suggestions. Next, enter the issue date of your certification, which is found on your certification document. If your certification has an expiration date, check the box and specify that date. Next, if you have a credential ID, enter it in the appropriate field. You may also add a credential URL, which will direct users to your AWS certification verification page. Once all fields are completed, click Save to add your certification to your profile. Now, to highlight your AWS certification using the Skill Badge feature, scroll to the Skills section of your profile. In the Skills section, click on the plus icon to add a new skill. Type AWS in the search bar, and select Amazon Web Services from the drop-down list. After adding the skill, you can adjust its proficiency level if desired. To ensure your certifications are visible, click on Add Profile section once more. Select Skills, then choose Add Skills again to feature your AWS certifications. Finally, review your profile to confirm that your AWS certifications and skills are properly displayed. Your LinkedIn profile is now updated to showcase your AWS certifications effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.